Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to log in into your WordPress website's admin dashboard, right? Previously in our videos we have learned how to purchase a good domain name, how to purchase a hosting plan for your website, and how to connect your domain name with your hosting plan. And then we have learned how to install WordPress application on your domain name in cPanel. If you know and have seen those videos, then it's good, and if you want to see those videos, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the playlist, right? And now we are logging into our WordPress website admin dashboard, and for that you just need to enter your domain name over here in the URL bar, right, of your browser, along with this, right? It could be https://www.example.com, whatever the domain name you have, and then you just need to type /wp-admin/, right? In the slug part, this is known as slug part, right? slug slug part. So here you need to enter wp-admin if you have created a WordPress website, right? So you just need to enter the domain name, right, and then /wp-admin/ and click on enter, right? So it will automatically ask you about the username and password of administrator. Now, which one username and password you need to enter over here? You need to enter the username and password that you have kept while installing the WordPress on your domain name in cPanel of GoDaddy account, or whatever the domain registrar or hosting seller you have used. So here you just need to enter the username and password that you have kept while installing the WordPress application over the domain name, right, in the cPanel. So here I'm going to enter my domain name, my username and password. I hope I enter the correct details, right? Okay, and then we will click on login simply, and as you can see, we have logged into our admin dashboard. So this is how you can log in into your WordPress website admin dashboard. If you have already purchased the domain name and hosting plan, then it's good, and if you have not, then you can purchase it from GoDaddy. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.